hardcore. So this slightly from away right now, it's like when you're hitting, here it is weak shot always, here it is free flow. Try to do a little bit away from your body. And then your serve here, always keep it at this corner. This corner. Because you're doing long serve. You see that whenever you play with him, right, you're giving an half force and he's smashing in that front corner. So you're always going behind also. When you're playing with him, if you're serving, don't go behind. Especially for him. Go little one step forward instead. Only for him you change that. So serve actually do it little bit away from your body. And then give a hanger. Because when you're away, right, it will be a little bit faster. So probably you're doing from here so that you don't go out. So do it from here but keep hanger. So then when you do this corner, it will be in. If you do side, it will go out. So because you are just changing now, right? So little bit for a few times, keep doing it here. And then after slowly come here. Across here, wherever you want, you can do it. Once you are away from your body, you can control. You can do short serve, you can do long serve in the same action. The difference will be only like whether you are lifting or tapping. I wanted to tell you the game, but I don't want to disturb the flow. Don't use your shoulder, use your wrist. When you're looking right, at the last minute, you come like this, right? Give this action. Now what you're doing, you're going like this. So that one will go only after. So because you're using the shoulder, right? That's how much you can play. So use your shoulder only to counter the play. And then last play back. You can see like in your wrist, like when you use this action, you get the sound. If you look at this sound, and it will be like, it's immediate, like even from back to back, right? You can just stand, don't have to waste your energy, just start. And then you go to corner to corner. When you're starting the game, right, first then start from behind and pass up and see how much energy you need, how much calibrate it. So once you calibrate it, immediately you can. So it's only like the same part. If you're doing it from front, you have to just do it a little bit low or a little bit angle. The same type if you do it on the net, right? Instead of lifting, you just the kind of contact will be like straight. Then you go straight up. If you do it here, then you smash. If you're getting something like on the net, then just like this. So you don't have to go like this top. Tossing up, like you can do it from here, like it will be straight point of it. If you're smashing it, you little bit front in here. So when you do it, then it will lift it up. And let it change it. For that we need to. You have to use your wrist, you have to change your holding. You have to bring your fingers to the finger, see, you can see the thing. This one is all same. And only here it is. Yeah, it's only like this. It's like this. When I'm smashing, this will be on the front, this will be behind. When I'm playing backhand, right, thumb will be in the front. So if I'm like holding like this, racket will go like this. So if your thumb is like this, your hold is only these two fingers. So it's forward, back. You can play. Your backhand is good, but your holding is not right, but still your backhand is very good. Earlier I was seeing that from there you look at him back. I don't like it's minor corrections. The moment we start correcting, right, our game will go to the next level. The backhand, when one of the Chinese guys was there in the everything 60 years back. So my forehand was very good, backhand was very bad. So he taught me how to do it. Take this bottle, do this distraction. So your wrist will become very strong. And then when you do the thing, you get this power. If your wrist is not strong, you will not get this power. And then I was damaging my shoulders. I already have my shoulders. Just getting more. So the moment I change this thing, my shoulder pain went away. If I'm not using shoulder, it's all my wrist. So you can see my wrist is happening. Yeah. I do my shoulder only to go to the position and then last time it happens. But for that you need to change the holding. The moment you change the holding, you have to change the game, everything. And then it's actually good. Like with this holding right, with a simple top, you can do back to back. Yeah, I do it. From back to back, I do it. No. I can tell you the rapid also. That's holding. I have other weaker racket. Even that is the same thing. I have a very cheap $30 racket. That is still good than this one. This time I need to bring it back to my case. So, that is the way. You are also. Huh? No. Mine is here. 80. Is it free? If it's for you, it will be like weight is from 70 to 80. If it's for you, it is 80 to 90. And then for you is like in 60. If it's for you, the overall weight will be 60 grams. 64 grams. This is 83, 84 grams. And that is without string. After string, it will be like 92. And then there is G5, right? G5, G4 here. This is the thickness of G5. For me, normally I need G4. But in this model, I didn't get G4. So I got it G5. Huh? Then you try Phoenix Windstorm Calico. It's only 65 grams. So light. The packet is like one step. And Windstorm Calico. Windstorm Calico. Very cheap actually. I think last time I saw like it was an offer. Again, when I was playing this one, it was going to this one is like around here in Singapore, it is like 280 something. So that was also around like 270 something. But recently I saw that the offer, there was some offer like 9 people. Very good. I mean, like evening I can't play with me. I get my arm pain actually. I get pain for playing. I have a leaning racket, but I don't play that. It's more balanced racket. Most of the leanings are balanced racket. Somehow whenever I play one, I'm getting feeling. So I'm having that racket for almost like 13 years now. I think only on steel breaks I use it. But racket is very good. My defense will be like next level with that. Defense is very good in that. But attacking, the moment I attack, I start getting pain. Normally in my team, I think that play people party. So I can't take defensive if I have to be attacking. You are the one who is very close. Where you doing? Huh? Anything, yeah. Even I go to the last week I bought it for dinner. Not every week. Once in a month. I go for bike service. This time they were selling for 133. Yeah, I know. I bought it for 149 also last week. But, yeah. That is like my team, I guys go once in a month I go to buy. So